Good evening, parents and scholars. This video is intended to give you a brief recap of what we have done this week. We made SMART goals. So there is a graphic that your scholar received in class period during English class. We made SMART goals for 7 of their 8 classes. And in each class, your scholar was on the form. Your scholar listed 7 of his classes, the current grades from the third 6 weeks, what his desired goal grade was, and then to the right, we started with I will statements. So I will, we made it specific to whatever the content was. So say, for example, your scholar made a goal for English class and he wants to get better at reading and fluency. So his statement should sound something similar to this, but it may be different based on what your scholar decided to make his goal based on. So it may sound something like this. I will get better at reading and fluency by reading 20 minutes 3 times a week at 90% accuracy. I will do this by the last day of school. So for each goal, it had to be specific. So if it's art, the goal is specific to art. If there's a math goal, it's specific to math. It's not just I will finish my work on time, or I'm turning my work on time, or pay attention. Those are actions. We talked about those are actions, but your scholar's goal should be specific to whatever his needs is and what his weaknesses are that we're trying to help strengthen and grow. So at your earliest convenience, if you could ask your scholar to show you his SMART goal setting graphic organizer, and have him read aloud his goals to you and empower him to decide whether his goal is specific to the content, has a measure, is realistic, and has a time frame. So if it just says something like I'm going to pay attention or I'm going to get my grades up, those are actions that he can take, but his goals should be specific to whatever the needs of the classroom is. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me by email or by Focus Messenger. All 8A scholars, their graphic organizer for their SMART goals is due on Monday. And for B-Day scholars, their SMART goals anchor chart is due on January 10th. Again, all 8A scholars, their graphic organizer for SMART goals is due on Monday, January 9th, and all B-Day scholars, their SMART goals anchor chart is due on Tuesday, January 10th. If your scholar needs any help or support, please remind him that he still has access to my Pear Deck, which is in his 4th apps. He has access to that still. He can go back and look at a few of those slides, have videos and links that he could access, as well as my example is on there to help them to streamline their goals. Again, they should not have any goals to say, I'm going to read better or I'm going to focus more. Those are great goals, but we need to make them more intentional and specific. They should say things that are related to whatever the class content that they're covering. We did make an exception, so there might be one class he doesn't really need to focus on. He might be doing well. He may have 100 average. He may be doing everything else necessary to make sure that he's successful. That's why we just chose to focus on 7, because there might be one class in which your scholar is doing really well, thriving and succeeding. He may not need any extra support or help. What he's doing right now may be working. So we're just choosing 7 out of his 8 classes. And at the bottom, the very bottom is where you sign and have your scholar return it back to me so he can get his first grade for the 4th 6 weeks. Hope this message finds you well. Again, I am Mrs. Lee, Denicia Lee, your scholar's English teacher at YMLA, and I'm so grateful to partner with you. I cannot wait to see you guys soon. But again, if you need to reach out to me, please reach me either by email or by Focus Messenger. I will respond to text messages from 8:30 to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. but I do not respond after 4:30 p.m. by text message. So email and Focus Messenger is going to be the quickest way for you guys to reach me. Thank you for partnering with me. See you soon.